my name is Krystal and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I want to talk about 3 very important things. But before I dive into those things, I want to say thank you so much for those who have recently subscribed to me. And thank you for sticking around, because I know I've been kind of MIA lately with posting long form videos on this channel, but trust and believe there's a good reason for that. And if you've been following me, you know that I'm a mom of 3 beautiful kids, and I've been in art school for the past 2 years. Yeah. But guess what? I finally graduated. And so we're going to talk about that today. But the 3 things that I want to talk to you about is my new pattern that I just released. Yay! Number 2, graduating from art school. And number 3, what my plans are for this channel. So sit back and let's dive right into it. Okay, so about the socks. So I designed the baby girl ruffle sock pattern, which you can find available either on my Etsy or my Ribblr. The links for both of those shops are down in the description box below. But yeah, I had a lot of fun making these patterns, even though I was making it, part of it the time I was making it while I was in school, and that was a lot. It was a lot, but that's okay because I finally finished them. And I made sizes 0 months all the way to 12 months. This pattern uses the worsted weight yarn. It's medium 4 yarn. And yeah, it uses a 5.5 millimeter hook. It's an easy, quick pattern to work up really quickly. You could work it up in about an hour or so. It's great for beginners, and that was my focus for this pattern, was to design something that was easy for crochet beginners to jump into and to do and to make and to have fun making it. And that is the goal. One of the goals for my channel is to design patterns for beginners so that they can make things that they love and can enjoy. So yeah, this is the baby girl ruffle sock pattern. Okay, so next part of this video, I wanted to share with you my degree. Of course, not for showing the full thing, but yes, I graduated from Belhaven University's Fine Arts Department with a bachelor's degree in art. And let me tell you, that experience was a blessing. I encourage anyone who wants to go back to school, specifically you want to go to art school, I would highly recommend Belhaven University. It is an in-person program, so unfortunately you can't take any classes online, but if you are in the area, or if you're looking to, go back to school and you're looking for a really good art program, Belhaven University has one of the top art programs in the nation, not just in the state of Mississippi, but in the nation. And not only that, Belhaven University is a Christian university. So if you are a Christian, if you want to learn more about God, come on, somebody. Belhaven is the place to be. And let me tell you something. I'm saying all this. This is not an advertisement or anything. I just love the school that much. Like, the school was amazing. Amazing faculty and staff, amazing professors, amazing classmates, students. I mean, I loved it. I loved my experience there, and I was one of the older students in the art program, but I never felt like that. I never felt like, oh, I'm kind of too seasoned to be here. Like, it is a very welcoming environment on that campus, and I loved every moment of it. And I'm glad that I'm done with school, don't get me wrong, because the studying and the papers, all that stuff was kind of hardcore, but I would never regret my experience going there and being there. But I am very, very grateful for having achieved this, because it was my goal to go back to school and get my art degree. And so, yeah, I mean, it was my goal to do that, you know what I mean? And by the grace of God, I achieved it, and I'm so grateful for that experience. Oh, well, what you might be wondering, well, what are my future plans with this degree? Well, my plans are to become an art educator, specifically in the public education arena. Maybe not so much, but I do want to work more with students, with younger children, as well as individuals who do have special needs. And I have found programs that do offer those types of opportunities, or jobs, businesses, or a non-for-profit organization, I should say, that offer those different types of opportunities. So that's something that I'm currently looking into. But yeah, that's the arena that I find myself moving into, is just becoming an art educator, as well as running my business here on YouTube and just growing my crochet business. That's something that's really, really important to me. I really, again, like I said, I really want to dive into designing more crochet patterns specifically for babies, kids, and for the crochet beginner. So that's important to me. Yeah, that's important to me. But you know what? That's all I got. That's all I got today. Again, I wanted to make this video short. I didn't want to make it too long. But yeah, just keep coming back. I'll have more videos that I'm going to be posting throughout the summer, as well as some big changes that are going to be happening in my life. So that might affect that schedule, but that's okay, because we're going to keep showing up anyway. But thank you so much for watching this channel. Again, you can go check out my baby girl sock pattern on Etsy and on Ribblr. And thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.